Hey, what's new, fellow Homo sapiens? Here is our next bird species, the red-bellied woodpecker. This species can be found throughout most of North America, mainly the United States and Canada. This species shouldn't be confused with the red-headed woodpecker, which is a completely other species that I'm hoping to find in another episode. This species eats mainly beetles and larvae, but they also store food. They also hide and store food from other birds. I just wanted to take some time out of our busy day to appreciate this species. Did you know there are over 10,000 species of birds worldwide? That's not even counting subspecies. And there are over 300 species of woodpeckers. My goal in lifers is to share as many different species as I can with you. One species at a time. I also want lifers to be a food and travel channel, but there will always be a wildlife element to it. I love sharing new species with everyone. Everything from tardigrades to blue whales are included in lifers. All plants, animals, and fungi. And probably protists eventually too. Alright, see you next time on Lifers.